Stop saying important. This one word makes you sound way smarter. Salient. Pronounce it as salient. It starts with say and ends like silent, with a small ee sound in the middle. It means most noticeable, prominent, or important, standing out conspicuously from its surroundings. During the long, boring meeting, Jane ignored the minor details and focused only on the competitor's price drop. That was the most salient point of the discussion. Instead of saying noticeable, say salient to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word salient in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.